here in a 2016 to 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser. We just installed the Hamilton Premium Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This system installs into the factory head unit. And as you can see, it preserves all of your factory features, including your original navigation, as well as your original weather, XM radio, and all other factory features. You won't lose anything with this kit. You can set it to automatically jump into CarPlay when you get in the car and turn it on. This is the underlying Hamilton operating system. We'll talk about it in just a bit. Let me first show you how to set up CarPlay. Open up your phone, pull out Bluetooth, and locate your new BNR device. Click on it. When the pair code pops up, click Pair, allow favorites and contacts, and if you get something that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. As you can see, CarPlay will automatically pop up and appear. The first time you pair CarPlay, it usually takes just a few seconds longer, and in the future, it'll pair immediately. We can come here immediately to change the background on CarPlay, make it much more presentable. Just like that, you can see what a game changer beautiful Apple CarPlay is. We'll talk in just a second about what makes the premium model different from the standard model. Of course, whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or the Sirius XM app, you can see how nice it is to have your large cover art and easy access to all your music. The same story goes for Apple Maps. Siri will read your directions. You can also use Waze or Google Maps.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater. Head north on Corporation Parkway.
Because our system uses the factory microphone, phone calls and text messages are a breeze with Siri.
Parker said, "Will Toyota ever make a V8 engine again? Would you like to reply?"
Yes.
What do you want to say to Parker?
Not a chance.
It says, "Not a chance." Send it?
Send it.
Done.
Sorry, Parker, this is the best it's ever going to get. Any app that has a CarPlay component will automatically show up. You can also quickly trigger Siri with a fast press of the voice speech button. Hey Siri, call Eli.
Calling Eli.
Yes, hello?
Hey Eli, how do we sound? We're calling you from a Toyota Land Cruiser.
You sound amazing.
Awesome, brother. And if our customers or their installers need help in Spanish or need technical materials in Spanish, do we support bilingual support?
Yes, sir. We support bilingual. Hablamos español.
Awesome, Eli. Thanks for your time. I'll call you later. Of course, if your installer speaks Spanish, we're here to help. Hamilton Motor Company stands apart in its customer service. We can take care of any of your needs. We'll talk briefly now about why the premium version is different from the standard version. As you can see, we can push that back to car button here and come back to this underlying Hamilton operating system. In the underlying Hamilton operating system, you can load any app from the Google Play Store. This means you can put apps on this device that are far more powerful than any of the newest vehicles. You can do nearly anything with this device. Of course, if you're in CarPlay, you don't ever have to use that underlying operating system. When you shift to reverse, your 360 camera and backup camera is right there, and it comes right back to CarPlay when you shift back to park or drive. Your steering wheel controls will continue to work as well. And you can see the volume pop up here. For more in-depth air conditioning controls, you can quickly hold the home button and switch back to your factory screen. Holding the home button for 3 seconds will toggle between the factory and Hamilton screens. We're going to talk quickly about what makes the 2016 to 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser Premium Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and standard models different from each other. Both of them have rapid responsive CarPlay and Android Auto. Both of them have wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. The premium version comes with this underlying Hamilton operating system that you can trigger by pressing back to car. On this underlying operating system, you can load any app available on the Google Play Store. This means you can put apps directly onto this device that are far more powerful than even the newest vehicles support. You can do almost anything you want with your factory screen now with the premium version. The standard model is going to be for folks who are really just looking for CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you're looking for extra functionality or control of your rear view screens, you're going to want to opt for the premium version. Of course, our team members can talk to you more about this. You can give us a phone call at 919-858-2890, and we can chat about the pros and cons of each.